Here we're looking at revenue per these salespersons over here and these 3 products up here. And also we're looking at data for just the current month. Now, let's say I'm particularly interested in Barrett Forster selling t-shirts, currently at 104,000 here. Now I would like to monitor that value. So right click, agent, monitor this value, will bring up this scheduled job dialog here, where you can set up a condition that when should it agent be triggered when the revenue is greater than or equal to 200,000, for example. Now with these demo data, my data is not going to change. I'll just put it back to 100,000, so it will actually be triggered now at the current value. So these are the criteria: t-shirts, Barrett Forster, and this month, as you saw. It's currently enabled. We might want to change the name. That's the name of the agent. So this one is my Barrett Forster this month revenue agent. And then you can set up schedule. How often would you like this to be checked by the target server itself? Every Friday at 9 a.m. for example. Set it up like this. And then how would you like to deliver this? Maybe this should be delivered to multiple persons, or maybe just a single person here. You can put in your own custom subject, etc. So maybe this one should be whenever Barrett Forster revenue is above 100,000, like this. And there are some further options that you can set if you like. So let's click OK here. We can open the scheduled jobs immediately to see the job. It's sitting there waiting until it becomes Friday, next Friday on the 29th of June. But if you want to check it now, you can right click it and run now. And if the condition is met, which we know it is right here, it will produce an email, and that email is what you see here. It comes up like this, telling you that Barrett Forster revenue is about 100,000 with these conditions and criteria, etc. Now let's have a look at that agent again, maybe change it a little bit. So to change it, you might right click to go into properties of that. You also have an option here to monitor not just Barrett Forster when he's above 100,000, but you can monitor each member of your salesperson dimension. And whenever one of these are above 100,000, it will actually trigger this agent. However, we need to make sure that we don't have a limitation on a single salesperson like Barrett Forster, so we'll remove that part. So now it's monitoring every single salesperson, and if just one of them is above 100,000, it will then trigger the agent. So let's try it right now and see what the result will look like. So just waiting for that. And there it was. So let's have a look at this. And now it simply tells me that not just Barrett Forster, but actually 4 salespersons in total met that condition.